Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie. I am Angie. Nice to meet you. And also known as #Colombian Catfish, and known by my loyal catfish crew. Tu sabe? Yes. Okay, but if you aren't part of the crew, you should definitely subscribe and be part of us, because like, why wouldn't you want to be a part of something, right? All right. So this is what we went for today. I kind of put my hair back. I had my hair down, right, to try to hide it, but I was like, nah, because my subscribers subscribe to me to see my gains and my fails and my in-betweens. This was, to me, very close to a fail. But it's alright, because you guys deserve to see it, right? Right, cool. So, this is my attempt of, like, you know that thing? Yeah, that's what I tried. But it's alright. So I'm gonna just compare this to next year's attempt, and then hopefully it's like 99% better. But you know. But this is neon, so I'm gonna see if I can take a decent neon picture, and if I do, it'll be at the end. So stay tuned. But yeah, I do also want to say thank you guys for everything. A lot of you have been viewing and sharing my videos and subscribing. We have finally hit 6K, well, over 6K, a good amount over 6K, actually, like a couple hundred over. So that's obviously thanks to you guys, so thank you so much. And always remember to tell friends, tell a friend, tell a friend, and that's how we gonna grow like the beautiful humans we are. And what else? Oh yeah, always like and comment and subscribe and stuff. Like, talk to me, guys. Talk to me. I don't have anyone to really talk to in this life. Besides one very annoying person. No, I'm kidding. I appreciate you. But talk to me, comment. The few people that have commented, I definitely comment back. There has been a comment glitch on my channel, so I don't know if that's still happening and if people are commenting and I'm just not getting it. But continue to try to comment, you know? I want to talk to you. What else? I think that's it, guys. Honestly. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it. I don't think I have mentioned it, but I don't know if you've been able to tell. I do plan on posting every Friday, every week. Hopefully, it will get to twice a week at some point. Right now, it's just Fridays, I think, for now. And yeah, so stay tuned every Friday for a new something. It is October, obviously, so I will be trying this Halloween stuff. The last one, check out the last one. That was dope. That was very interesting. That one came out good. It was like a mask. Alright, watch it. But that's about it, guys. I'm gonna let you guys look at it a little better, you know. And if you want a tutorial on like this look, because I kind of like how it came out, you know, let me know. Because if you guys don't let me know, I don't know what to do sometimes, you know. But let me know. And that's about it. Appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. See you in the next. Bye, guys. So we are starting off with our face as always. Excuse my voice. I'm extremely sick, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do for the people. So regular full face situation going on. If you want to see how I do my full face, you have like 2 other videos to go off of in my channel, so feel free to watch those. But I did get creative with the eyeliner. I did a neon liner and an outer liner on the liner. You know what I mean? I think you know what I mean. But I got a little creative. Again, if you guys want to know how I did that, let me know in the comments, and I will totally film that look for you. But I only did half my face, so I only did foundation and powder and my entire routine on half of my face, because we're going to cover up this other half. The most important part on this other half is what you see me doing, which is my eyebrows. You're going to cover it fully with your glue stick, and then I was thinking about either using a toothbrush or a spoolie. I ended up using the toothbrush because it pulled my hairs up in a more straight manner, you know? Whereas the spoolie was like lifting my hairs back up, you know? So I use that. You seal it again with the glue stick, and then you cover it with powder to set it. Then you obviously use your foundation to cover it back up, just so you're starting off with a clean slate. not a whole like black eyebrow situation. And then I used a cream colored eyeliner to sketch out where I wanted my drooping skin to be. And then I went over it with a face paint marker. I also found these in Michael's when I bought my face paint back then, and it's actually super helpful. This was the first time I used it, so that just made the lines precise as to using a brush and actual paint. So that's that. After we have the outline ready and you're happy with the placement, you're going to go in with your black face paint. So this is going to be your base for everything. So you're just going to black out half of your face. And that way we're going to have a base to start off with our neon paint later. And this is the entire blacked out part. But just keep going over it until you see no empty spots and all that jazz. After you are done with that, I do apologize for covering my face during this part. I didn't realize cameraman was not on point, but it's alright. It's alright. So you go in with a white liquid liner. This is a NYX liquid liner. And I was just laying down where I want my cheekbone to be, my jawbone, all that stuff. And I just went in with white because I felt like it would make the paint that I lay on it later brighter in a way. So that was my thought process behind it. And then you outline your eye socket and your nose. You know, the famous little skull nose thingamajig. And you're going to go into your teeth as well. I'm literally like dying, guys. No, I'm kidding. But seriously, I am sick. I apologize. But now I'm going over that with my neon NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. I used just this red pinkish one for this look, and then the white one that you guys saw. But actually, a little fun fact, this whole video was used, like the skull part of it was affordable materials. So I did have fun doing that with affordable things. We all know we can get face paint, or not all of us, but we can purchase face paint that is expensive, that is made for makeup artists and made for this and made for that. I literally went to Michael's with what I could afford, and this is what we got. And then what I didn't get in paint, I got in liquid liners. So even if you're on a budget, have fun with it, practice, and it's not impossible. Even with some NYX liners, color payoff is amazing. The Michael's face paint, yeah, you might have to like layer it, but you got this. You got this. So all affordable things, everything will be in the description box. The description box as always. And I'll be back in a little bit. for the teeth, do keep in mind you want to keep them like different shapes, different sizes. Obviously, try not to make them super round and you know the basics. And then trying to go back towards the back of my jawline. I was trying to make the teeth smaller and not as bright later on when I filled them in. But again, guys, it's a process. You can make your teeth closer, far apart. I did mine with a gap in the middle just to try to make it look creepy. But these are my teeth filled in. For the little gradient effect from the front teeth, most of the front teeth, I just put the white paint in the center, and like when the white paint was mostly off of my brush, I would drag it down a little bit with light strokes to just gradient it. And I'm actually going in with a dark burgundy color around all the neon paint that I did, like on the edges and stuff, to try to shade it. It had minimal shading after I did this, but it had a little something, a little depth. That's what I did. And then on certain areas I went back on with the neon paint because I did want to keep it a little bright and a little different. But just keep fidgeting with it, honestly. Especially this eye socket part, I played with it for a while. But just get it to look like a skull, you know, like can't be looking like the Target dog. That's what I did. And I actually went in on the edge of that like skin flap parts, like where my face divides, and I went on with that Graftobian color wheel that I used last video in my mask video, and I put the dark purple shade to look like irritated skin. And I went in with the Scab blood, which you see me putting on more of it now, with the stippling sponge, sorry. And I actually just put that around to make it a little creepier, bloodier, and it helped with like the irritation effect. And that's about it, guys. You see the finished look. I do apologize for it being a little brighter here at the end, but you can see the neon part better. And this is it. If you liked, please comment, like, and subscribe. Tell everyone you know, your cousins, your grandparents, everybody. But I will see you in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye, guys.